Okay, Assets by Pixel Tonic was released this week, and I thought I would do a quick first look of this new module and field type. Assets is, of course, if you don't know, a file manager for ExpressionEngine, and it is, in my opinion, really well done, and it's very, very slick. It kind of uses some Finder-like functionality if you're used to using the Mac Finder. It kind of works a little bit like that, and it makes it really simple to manage all of your files. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look. If you want to learn more about it, you can go to pixeltonic.com/assets and read some of the descriptions and the documentation. And if you choose, you can pick it up for $55. This is only for ExpressionEngine 2, so you won't be able to use it on your older sites. All right, let's jump into the control panel. This is the control panel for the Channel University site, which is what we built in my Learning ExpressionEngine 2 video series. So I just like to use this one since there's already content in here. Go ahead and use that to show how this module works. So the module, I've already created a little shortcut for it here at the top called File Manager. And this is what Assets looks like. I have two upload directories. And these are just the upload directories that you specify in your file upload preferences. And of course, one of the features of Assets, which is described as a revolutionary new feature called subfolders, it allows you to create subfolders so you can very easily organize your content. And in this example, we have faculty, and we have two subfolders, active and retired. And you can see some of these people here are probably not active anymore, like Albert Einstein. So we're just going to take him and move him over into retired. We'll probably go ahead and move Hemingway over into retired as well. So as you can see, it's really easy to organize your files. And I can also drag and drop folders. So if I wanted to put retired into active, I could do that. And it's really easy to create a new subfolder. So if I wanted to say, let's go ahead and say emeritus. So these are special retired faculty members. And let's go ahead and drag Albert into that. So there we go. You can move, if I wanted to put emeritus into retired, I could do that. So I'm dragging and dropping folders. Here we have the news images. And again, I have some subfolders. And I've created a subdirectory for sports. So if I wanted to add a new subfolder, I could, and I can just call it baseball. And there we go. I can also rename stuff. So if I wanted to rename this to college baseball, I could do that. All right, let's go ahead and look at uploading files. So I can click the upload file here and just select a file from my computer. And there we go, we have a file. Now I can also double click on that and get some information about it, including the file name, some size and kind information. I can also give it a title, receives UNC Jersey. You can put a date in if I wanted to. A caption, description, credit, location. So we'll say Washington, D.C. And keywords. Let me just say UNC and go ahead and save that. And now I am all set. And I can also view into as a list, or if I wanted to view with the thumbnails. So another thing you can also do is you can actually move images, select them like this, and drag and drop them into other directories. And that way it makes it easy to move images around. We'll put these back into basketball. There we go. So now I'm all set. So let's go ahead and go into some content. We're going to go ahead and go to Edit. And we'll go to a news article here. Scroll down. I've already set up the news image as an Assets field type. So you can see I can add files. And it only lets me add from the news images upload destination. And I can choose this one I just uploaded. And there we go. Now I can drag and drop, reorder images if I would like, or files. And then also, if I wanted to add a file, I could actually upload one right from the publish screen as well. So to look at the field type, we go into custom fields, and we will go into the news field group, and here is the news image. And you can see it's an assets field type, and then down below we have some options where we can restrict the file upload directories. Here I've just restricted it to news images only, but of course it could be all. And we can choose whether we can allow multiple selections or not. And the default view, list or thumbnails, and you can choose which columns you would like to show. So that is how Assets works. It's a great add-on for making it easy to manage your files and all of your images right in ExpressionEngine.